Hi, it's Fire Alarm Fun with Henry. Today, I'm going to be doing some stuff and also Merry Christmas. So, yeah. Now, I'm going to pretend my house is a building, and I'm going to pull the fire alarm. I'm going to pretend my house is a building, and anyways, there are the covers. So, I'm pretending this is a building and I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Go and pull it. Oh man. Just stand and go pull it. I'm going to pull it. I'm really scared. Switchy thing. Take that stuff off. There we go. See? There we go, guys. Yeah, I'm sounding a little weird because I'm sick. So yeah, and I have to show you something else that I really liked that I did. So I'll show you what else I really liked. You might have saw this, saw in the video of these smoke alarms. I just put them in there because that's the box. Wait just a second there, guys. I'll be back. So I'll show you what I really like. I put a pretend glass rod in there, so it will go down. It used to go down about to there. It used to go down about to there or something, but I made it so it can go down as far it's supposed to go. Watch. That's how far it's supposed to go. And watch what else I just figured out. Push this. Cool, right? So yeah, I'll show you how I made that glass break rod. I just made it out of some of that tape. And so the big set glasses. I'll show you what they look like. Let me just make the camera hold like this. There. About there we go. There. So I'll show you how I look. It's funny, but whatever. They just around. So bye. Fire Alarm Fun with Henry. Duty nuts.